How to turn off the front display screen to save battery power on the GoPro 9 or 10. Now first let's go back to your main screen. So I'm going to press on the mod button. From here we're going to swipe down, then tap on the screen display, the front screen display option. Tap on that button here and then tap on the off button, so it says screen off. And here if you go to the front, you can see this front has been switched off. Now the other options is to set to status only, so it will show the status only, such as your battery, your camera settings, and your SD card storage. And that's it. Otherwise, just simply switch it all off to save your battery power. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.